He's the first president osinikeze the Ministry of Defense. What the department is away amasoja. Where's our sala na masoja what ngifuna ukuthi lilo ubani ngoba department yini. The department that was set to place by Jacob Zuma to bring forth all the answers in the circumstances that soldiers were living under. The department that was set into place ukuthi lethe all the solutions empilweni zamasoja. Ukuthi kungabi nesoja. Ngizwe kahle program director mawukhuluma earlier uthi le umsebenzi what is evil government.
Yes.
Esphethe ukuthi isoja lethu life ngale ndlela noma lidlule emhlabeni ngale ndlela. Because Jacob Zuma ubekathe lonke isoja lomkhonto wesizwe kumele number 1 libe registered ku-military veteran department libe in the database so that maqala likhohlela likwazi ukugijimela emtholampilo wona wona lingayitholi lifole nawo wonke umuntu ngathi lo muntu azange acontribute ekuletheni inkululeko yabantu base-South Africa. Angeke uthi ufana nami impilo yakho wayidela at an age of 14 years when it was not fashionable.
How come on?
Wathi mina nginikela ngempilo yami ngenxa yokuthanda izwe lami. Mase likhululekile lelozwe bese lisakuthanda. Selikubona ungasekho relevant. Selikubona ungasekho important. Ilo government esikuyo ke yiyo ke into esenze sixabane nalo government. Government, how can you forget abantu abakuliberate? Because today when we president, because of us. When we minister, because of us. When we premier, because of us. When we mayor, because of us. How then is it possible ukuthi bese ukhohlwa abantu abakuthathe bakubeka into power? Because ANC waqabana ANC from 1912 right up until 1961. From 1961 until 1994, ANC bekase exile. President wakhona uOR Tambo, who was umkhonto wesizwe general. ANC azange survive la inside the country. Bekabheniwe, bekase exile. ANC ubuye noOliver Tambo eSouth Africa. Wabuya nawo uintact wawunikeza izani wawunikela esandleni sika Mandela wathi Mandela thatha uANC ngokunikeza wona uintact ungamoshakala ngoANC ungekho corrupted uANC amasoja whether you like it or not
jikitshela mkhonto
abantu abakwazi ukuthi basuke la bayotrain ababuye bazolwa abantu abathe thina sizoqeqeshwa la ngaphakathi silwe namabhuku amasoja uANC kodwa mangobheka wonke lawo masoja ahlupheke umdlula wonke waza today sihambisa ucomrade uThabo uthi uzona commander wale zone uthi ku-memorial service uthi command ubonile sihlala kuma-big houses ayinyanya reflect umuntu olwe njengocomrade uthi uye muso bekumele ngabe uhlala ku-mansion uye muso bekumele ngabe uhlala ku-pitch uye umuntu bekumele ngabe iplot lele lisuka lapha eliya lapha bokhuluma ngalo program director ukwakhe la ngabe iy'ngane zika-comrade Thabo zinama-bursaries today ziseyikolweni esiphume phambili in this country because of his contribution. So yiyo ke into esilwise nogogo. That is why what disbanda MK because besikhuluma lezi zinto ukuthi nabo abantu bayaceba ngama-business mana amasoja yiwahlupheki uNcamalala wafika watamamelana. It is legislated 75% wonke ama-project nama-tenders is the only president. So maqabane impi yethu isaselapho asikwazi ke ukuthi as I conclude leya experience esiyithole kagogo ukuthi singama le theme ngilifuna singama custodian
yes
waka ANC kagogo sesakhahlelelwa ngaphandle namanje bese siyabuya size emkhontweni wesizwe bese nina again nisikhathelela ngaphandle
amandla
yithi ama custodian omkhonto wesizwe. So I want to conclude by saying these people, they've loved their country more than yourself, more than anyone else. Banikela ngeimpilo zabo ebuncaneni babo bathi thina siyolifela lelizwe. They took an oath ukuthi sizolifela lelizwe. Mabakhuluma ngekizwe sikhuluma ngawe bathi sibazofela wena. And then sebabuyile country izinto country seyibuyile ngalendlela ebuye ngayo and then you forget. So utilize asibahambeleni bashayekile, they are depressed, abanye they are into drugs, abanye ba alcohol, abanye because of the experiences esibenazo in the past. Ongahlala nami ngikuxoxele ukuthi as an operative, as an underground operative lomkhondo wesizwe ngibonene empilweni ungathuka ukuthi ulala kanjani uphila kanjani because of izinto esizenzile sizenzela wena ukuthi ukhululeke ube nempilo engcono eSouth Africa. So with that said, I want to say ngokuhamba kwalo commander ezo1 in and in the region of Johannesburg amasotsha womkhonto wesizwe swafuneni lakho whether yila wasele kagogo or yila wasemkhontweni aswafuneni swanikezele because they love their country and they gave their life ukuthi mina nawe sikwazi ukuzikhululeka. Therefore awakwazi ke lamasotsha ukuthi angahlupheka sikhona. Let us take care of our soldiers because they are our pride. That's why nge-30s that is month sithe in the region of Johannesburg siyokhumbula amasotsha ashona ngoba siyalazi igalelo labo. So as the region of Johannesburg uzoyithola invite sizobe sise Orlando West lekhilana siyokhumbula amagala wenkululeko alala ngesibhamu. Waza sithi families besihlangana nama families wabo last month sine prayer and nge-30 sine night vigil. Yabona le night vigil kula kuzobe kuline up khona ama-commissars azosihamulisa
Commander Muni.
So uyafuna nawe ngokufuna ngibonile nabo comrade abahamba ngenduku sifuna ngaleyo
Jikijela mkhonto.
So with that said makabane ngicela nje ukuthi ngivale because i-communication izodubeka. Ngibala ngokuthi nanka ama-announcement siyahamba siyajoyine DTR license ngabakhona. Kunamakhumbi i4 ekukuthi allocated for i-platoon makabane ama-quantum siwayekeleni for i-platoon and our leaders. Therefore into ezoyenzeka